Hello again, everyone. Welcome to our Breakaway C box break. This is for the 2013-2014 Upper Deck SPX box break number 10. Here's the last one for auction. There's Edmonton. Surrounding the box is NE205-573-109. That's NE205-573-109. Bonus pack. There you go. Good luck, everybody. New Materials jersey card of Erik Karlsson for the Senators. Retro for the Lightning of Martin St. Louis. Rookie Materials jersey of Brendan Gallagher for the Canadiens. Rookie of Thomas Zerko for the Red Wings. Retro for the Capitals of Alex Ovechkin. Rookie for the Canucks of Frank Corrado. And I sit here, Winning Materials jersey and stick of Ryan Miller for the Sabres. Rookie for the Capitals of Michael Lana. Rookie of Jacob Trouba for the Jets. Rookie for the Oilers of Justin Schultz. And a rookie jersey auto of Nick Bugstad for the Panthers, 137 out of 499. Rookie for the Blackhawks of Antti Raanta. And the Ice bonus pack. So the Ice Premier's rookie, 843 out of 99, 999 for the Rangers of Jesper Fast. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.